What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off sensitive content setting on your X app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your X app, then you have to go to your profile. So after that you have to click on settings and support, and you have to click on settings and privacy. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. Then you have to click on privacy and safety. After that you have to click on content you see, then you have to click on search settings. Now make sure this option is turned off. Okay, now make sure this option is turned off. If this option is turned on, you have to make sure this option is turned off. Then you have to go back and click on sensitive media. After that you have to click on graphics violence, and you have to make sure this option show all is checked. Then you have to go to on adult content and do the same for show all, and you have to go on others. Then you have to make sure this option is turned on. If this option is turned on your mobile, you have to click on this and you have to go back. So now you're ready to go. Now you can see the sensitive contents on X app. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.